Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Brachiosaurus. So to start with our Brachiosaurus, we're going to begin with the eye and we're going to start way up here. And I'm just going to make a small circle and just color in about half of it. Then I'm going to add a little line above it for the eyebrow. Then, starting right above it, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then over and then down like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves down and then comes down like this for where the nose is going to be. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes in like this. And then right here I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then comes in like that for the chin. Then I'm going to curve this up where the jaw is going to be. And then right here I'm going to draw a line that kind of comes down. And then I'm going to curve this down like this. And they have a really long neck, so we're going to bring it all the way to about here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw the rest of the neck. I'm just going to kind of follow that same pattern. And I'm going to get a little bit bigger as I get farther down. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down like this. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes out like this and kind of curves down. Then I'm going to draw kind of like a curved line for the bottom of the foot. And then bring this up and then just kind of curve it around up to here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves right to here for the belly. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down like this. Then goes down. Then it's going to go out a little bit and then kind of come back. Then I'm going to go up and kind of curve around and bring it up like this. Then starting up here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes up and then down. It's going to kind of come at an angle. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this around like this and then bring it right to about there. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go in and then down like this. Then I'm just going to curve it around and then just go up at an angle. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that kind of goes in and then down and then kind of form the foot. Then I'm just going to go over and then up like this. So here's our basic Brachiosaurus. Now we want to add some of those different details. So right up here, I'm going to make some of these quick little lines just to kind of show where the neck kind of has like some wrinkles and some different details in it. A little bit of texture. And then I'm also going to add some going down the back of the neck as well. I'm going to add a couple little lines in here where the legs and everything are kind of bending. And then I'm going to add a few over here. I'm going to put some little bumps on here for toes. I'm going to add just some kind of like bumps along the body. I'm not really drawing like too hard or anything. I'm just kind of, or making them too high. I'm just kind of adding a few. And then I'm going to add some more of those little lines that kind of bend to show where the tail is. I'm going to add a couple little extra lines where these legs are meeting. A few more back here. Up here I'm going to add a little curve for where the nose is. And then add a little extra line around here. I'm going to make a little kind of broken line that kind of curves up here just to show where there's a little bit of indentation. Add a little curved line around the mouth. Another little line around here. Add a couple lines right there. Put a few lines kind of showing where the stomach is. I'm going to do a little bit of like a long broken line that kind of runs to here. Then it's going to get kind of a little wavy here and then kind of run down the tail. Then I'm just going to add a few little extra kind of broken lines all around this dinosaur. A few lines here. And this is just going to kind of help it look a little bit more realistic. Just some kind of random lines all around here. Kind of put them all over. Kind of make some of these lines a little bit longer on here. And then I'm just going to add kind of a few little kind of partial circles all the way around here just to kind of show where there are scales and stuff. This just kind of helps that you don't have to draw all of them. I'm going to add a few little dots around here too, just in different spots. And there you go. There's your drawing of a Brachiosaurus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.